Hi, I'm Liz and I survived this year. Hi, I'm Liz and I've been 1 year in therapy and I made it. Hi, I'm Liz and I was able to survive living alone. Hi, I'm Liz and I'm in the healthiest relationship ever I've been through. And 1 year na kami. Hi, I'm Liz and I'm so grateful na I can afford to bring my family on the nice restaurants kahit walang occasions. Hi, I'm Liz and I discover a lot of things kung sino talaga ako in so many ways and I feel like this is the most beautiful year na nag-grow talaga ako. Hi, I'm Liz and I am grateful